Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay July 19, 2026 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong July 19, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral ng basan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, July 19, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral ng basan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. the result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 19, 2026, Sunday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, July 19, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of July 19, 2026, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.